Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make facial scrub by yourself with just 4 ingredients, and these ingredients are inexpensive and they are very easy to find. You probably have most of them in your kitchen already, and the goal of these exfoliants is to gently lift off dead skin cells without wearing away the skin. So the 4 ingredients we are going to be using sugar. We need the sugar, honey, and also coconut oil. We're going to be using coconut oil, and lastly we are also going to need lime. So we are going to mix all these ingredients together. This is the end product of the whole process. I have my facial scrub and I'm going to apply it on my face. So when applying it on your face, apply it in a circular motion and apply it gently to prevent abrading healthy skin cells. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. Please subscribe, like, comment, every good thing. Please just do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.